Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Oh man, it's been a while since I had the webcam out, dog, with the green screen, dude. Took me a while to like get everything set up right. I still don't know if it's right. Hold on, let me double check it real quick. Real quick. Just chill. Had to dust that green screen off. All right, hold up real quick. Let me do a check real quick. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing levels. Levels good. Levels is good. Levels is good. Levels is good. Devils is good. Devils is good. Levels is good. Levels is good. Devils is good. One thing about it, the devil's always gonna be good. The devil takes no days off. Therefore, you cannot either. My bad, man. I know it's been a while, bro, but I've been going through some things. Going through some things. These just got me going through some things. I mean, that's that P, baby. Motherfucker, that no limit. Going through some things. Going through some things. These indies just got me going through some things. You know what I need to set up? Like the chat. I don't have time to do it. Hopefully I can have some time to do it. I mean, like, I don't mind doing this shit. Like, but the problem is I keep getting attacked and hacked. All type of, bro, that shit's still going on, bro. And like the problem is every time I set my shit up right. Wait. Hold up. Alright, show 'em. I'm talking about dog relentless, bro. My bad. I'm just trying to. I mean, it sucks, but I gotta do all this extra bullshit to make sure that my shit is secure. Security. It's a thing, bro. I didn't have time to really set shit up right. But damn, look at Meta, bro. Oh man, what the hell? I'm clicking on the wrong screen, bro. See, that's not right, dude. That's how long it's been since I was able to stream and shit, dude. I don't even. Why does my webcam look dark? Hold up. It's just a monitor. Okay. Alright. You know I gotta try to bring you the highest quality I possibly can, bro. You know what I mean? Let's whatchamacallit, see if I get freaking dolls attacked or something, bro. Hold up. I need that option cheesy, bro. I had an option chain now. You feel me? Bro, anyone that caught that meta play on earnings, bro, oh my god, congratulations on that. That shit was crazy. Bro, come on, dog. Let me see, dude. Like, I wanna see like uh, the weeklies and all that shit. Like, I like the same day expirations or the ones that are close. Because first of all, they're cheaper, and secondly, like, um, I mean, like I said, like if you just apply, you feel me, like price action and day trading to just the derivative, I might be able to set it up where we could see the actual option chain. Hopefully, there's no personal information on it, and you can see it kind of. Oh, is that thing going? Is that thing beeping? Oh Lord, that shit sucks. All right, check out this market though. One more thing, let me make sure my hotkeys are working. Sign up, man. You see it, bro? Sign up, dude. You feel me? Look at Meta, bro. That thing been bullish. Hold up. Let's go to a higher time frame real quick and see what we have here. Look at this. But you see on this play though, you would have had to be anticipating it because they released earnings like right at market close. So you would have had to be anticipating that and had been in the play already. You feel me? But dude, like when we're fading right here, perfect time to jump into some calls to the upside, bro. Woof. But 208 up to 236. So almost what, a $30 move, bro? Imagine having, and the calls would have been cheap probably, especially as we're fading. Like they probably been less than $1, bro. Could have loaded up on them things, made a quick 10, 20 racks off that, dog. That's crazy. But you know what I'm saying? What I am more interested in is whether Meta keeps running. You feel me? And like, here's the daily. Look at this thing. From the bottom, sub 88. I called it too. I said Meta was going to be under 100. I mean, at some point, like when everything, the FUD, you know what I mean? Like fear, uncertainty, and doubt was at its highest. Oh, Lord. See, I'm already getting attacked. They already attack it, dog. That's crazy, man. Like, who has a hard on for me like that? But yeah, what I was saying was, like, we really should be paying attention to like some potential resistances. You know, if you expect this thing to keep running. And I mean, that's what I have here. Look, our first resistance, you know, major resistance off the daily is about 244. I got that. I'll show you where I got it from. Right around here. Cause see, we like dumped, and then like, you feel me, bounced up to that level and then rejected, started fading. I think I have more. Hold up. I feel like that's too much data. So like over here, here's the 244 where we came up. Let me make sure my webcam ain't blocking it. All right, yeah. So yeah, we came up and chopped around these levels, acting as resistance a lot. And this is the daily chart. Right here. Then right here, the next level up, what, 254, rejected, chopped around it. You feel me? But look, when we were selling off, we came back down to this 244, chopped around these levels, came back down, bounced off that 244 again. And then we kind of had some action on it right here as well. So I would say that 244 is going to be like, I mean, obviously there's probably more resistances, but I'm just looking at possible major resistances and off the daily chart, because that's where you want to get your levels from, you know what I mean, off the daily. So that 244, you can see all the action on it here, resistance, then support, little chop in here. Then the next leg up, we chopped around this 254, and then look right here, 266, right here, 279, yeah, right here, 287, 290s, 298, obviously 300, nice round psychological level. So, but that's only if you expect Meta to keep running. And I feel like barring some major catalysts or major news or anything like that, I don't see why it wouldn't. You feel me? I mean, even today, looking bullish going into the open. Off the open, we kind of dumped. I mean, this is a level right here. This is a 5-minute chart, though. You could see intraday, there's a level here. About 237 or so. 237. Right here. There's a level here where we came back up to before rejecting again. Right here. Chopped around, broke down. Obviously, bottom of the range. I mean, I'll say right here. It's 236, 20s. Yeah, that thing since then, bro, just running to the upside. 236 up to 240, bro. And bro, you heard me say it a million times, bro. Like that's why I like the trade meta, via the derivative, because it gives you more range, bro. Like either to the downside or the upside. Like look at this move, 236 to 240. You feel me? And that's what I call range. I mean, the SPY is giving you decent range too. All right, so look, it's looking like first of all, let's go to like a slightly higher time frame. I got all these levels on here. Let's get rid of them. Wait. High of days 215.50s on the SPY. I mean, I guess up here we kind of consolidated around it, chopped around it for a little bit. Now, if we break above that, then you'd be looking at 215.80s and then 216 flat, obviously. Nice psych level. So, I mean, there's definitely some resistances up here. So, maybe if we come up here and start looking weak and topping out, you grab those 215 puts to the downside. Or like right now, see how it was just at 215.01 until I grabbed them 215 puts. If you think we're going to look weak. And I mean, being that we're kind of at the top of the range, and then there's all these resistances up here, I mean, I feel like it is more likely that we, come back up here and maybe top out and reject and fade a little bit. Conversely, like if we break above this level and start looking bullish, I mean, but again, you have to take in consideration that there's some resistances up here. So the risk to reward obviously is better fading from the top of the range. But again, I mean, only if we're looking weak. And for instance, like right now, those 215 puts are about 40 cents, 42 cents. And you see that wicking right there? Let's zoom in a little bit. This is a 2 minute right here. There's the 1 minute. Hey, why does my shit look so dark, bro? Let me check this and make sure that it's not. It's just the monitor. Well, it looks decent. I mean, the lighting could be better. It actually looks like there's too much light on me. Need to put the light on the green screen. It's like reflections off my face and shit. My bad, Rumble, man, bro. Like, I've been trying to put in work on my Rumble. I appreciate uh, people on there taking the time out to watch some of my content. Let's let's look at some other look at the cues. So you see, like, there's clear resistance right here, bro, on the cues. 321.90s. I mean, look, reject, come up here, topping out, rejecting, wicking on it, looking like it wants to reject off this level. See what I'm saying? I mean, actually, high of day was 321.90s, but I'd say the resistance is more consistent with this level here, and that's going back a few days. So I'll be looking at the 321.80, the 321 puts. Right now, and hold up, like I'm on the wrong. Those expirations are like way out. That's better. So yeah, what was I saying? 321 puts. I mean, they're super cheap right now. They're 12 cents on the ask. So I mean, dude, 10 of those is what, $12? What did I say? There's resistance up here. Now it doesn't mean that we can't break above it, but let's see what the SPY is doing. Which one's leading, the SPY or the Qs? See how the SPY is kind of, I mean, this is a 1 minute chart, so you can't really infer too much from it. But I mean, first of all, let's go to a higher time frame. All right, so topping out up here, decent at 415.50s. So honestly, I mean, like, I wouldn't be stressing it too much, even if we came up here and tested this. But as long as we start like topping out and looking weak, I'll be looking to fade and see how we're kind of. These are 1 minute candles. I mean, consolidation. I mean, this is clearly a bullish pattern. Let me see if I can do something. Like, dude, what the fuck? Like, how come I can't draw a regular trend line? Let me see something. Wait, actually, dude, those are 1 minute candles, bro. My bad. I'm going through some things. This is obviously a clear level right here. 414.60s, 414.50s. Now, being that we kind of rejected here, then came back up, chopped around this level, was able to reclaim it, consolidated on it. Um, you know, I feel like if you are gonna fade from up here, like if we start looking weak, a elevating factor to support, um, that thesis would be we'd have to break down past all this chop right here first. This 414.60s. But right now, I mean, looking bullish. Oh, come on, man. Like I swear, bro, I always get interrupted, bro. Hold on 1 second, man. My bad, dude. Uh, look, 1 minute candles. Look, we came up here and tested that level, 415.50s. Kind of wicked off it a little bit. I mean, it's looking like we're trying to break past it. It could be a fake out. Well, I mean, this is clearly a bullish pattern right here. Look, see, we kind of like broke past it a little bit a few times here as well. So don't be fooled. Obviously, like, I mean, if we make a new high on the day, 1455s, which we just did. All right, so I mean, obviously, chill a little bit if you're trying to fade from up here. Let it consult. You know what I mean? Let it top out. I mean, the real high of day is what? I mean, obviously we made a new high for 415.58. Like you see up here, all these wicks are kind of terminating on this level here. Right here, right here. I mean, kind of did the same thing here. It got up there, but then rejected. And you can see there's more sellers than buyers up here from the wick. You feel me? Whenever it tried to go up there, they sold into it. That's why the wick is longer on top. And look. And again, I mean, this is a SPY. So what, 415s? No. Those puts went from 12 cents to 24 cents already, so they doubled. I mean, obviously it's only 12 cents, but again, 100 times multiplier on that, so $12. And being that they're so cheap, you can get 100 of those. So $12 times 10. I mean, even off that little bit of move, it'd be $120. Now, if you get 100 of them, you know what I'm saying? I believe that would be 1,200. I don't know. It's been a while since I've been like live streaming. So, I mean, don't crucify me if my math is a little off. What did I say? What did I say, bro? Now the 415s are worth 32 cents, 33 cents. Okay, so they went, and look, going up. What did I say, bro? So scratch to $12 for each contract. Now they're worth 34 cents, so it would have been more like $25 for each contract. You feel me? So instead of off of 10, you're making 120, you would have made 250. And 100, it just scales up, bro. What's the word I'm looking for? I guess exponentially. Yeah. 100 times multiplier, bro. What happened? Did they just release data here? Let me see something. News. Let's see what kind of news we have. Newswire headlines will appear as they print. I'm not really familiar with using this news thing. News. Today's top tens. I know there was a data set coming out today. I believe it was the PCE. I don't know if it came out yet. Let me double check something real quick. I mean, don't quote me on this yet. Let me go to my notes. Yeah, Friday, PCE report. Bro, what did I just say, bro? Did I call it? That's all I want to know, bro. Did I just call it? Come on, man. Let's look at these other charts. Hold on. And here's where I'm looking at the price of the contracts at. So look, now they're worth 40 cents. Remember I said they were 12 cents. So about 30 bucks on each one. You feel me? Off a $12 investment on one contract, it made about 30 bucks. And again, 10 would be 300. 100 would be 3 racks, bro. That quick. And here's what the Qs are looking like over here. And I think I have the S&P 500 over here. I haven't had time to set up all the charts yet. I mean, let's go back to the main screen here. You feel me? So I know someone commented on one of my shorts yesterday, like talking shit, saying, oh, like, you know, something about trading small caps or penny stocks. And yeah, I agree. Like, you definitely need to know what you're doing when you're dealing with those, you feel me, small cap, low float, piece of shite stocks. You feel me? And no one's obviously telling anyone to leverage up to the tits on some, you know, dumb small cap. But like, you can take a little portion, you feel me, of that portfolio, you know, just for some little bets on the side. And look, you see we're rejecting right here. I mean, what a dump. All right. Dumped again, came down to the 120 and bounced. But look at these wicks. See? Wick. I mean, we're putting in higher lows, but they're selling into everything, which leads me to believe that we're going to dump more. Let's see what happens when we get to the 9. Now, dude, there was a little time in the markets where no matter what kind of freaking news came out, like bearish news for the stock market, that people were just still buying the dips, bro. Like, I was like, what the hell, bro? Like, I freaking got squeezed out. Like, I had to stop out so many times because, like, it was just a dip buyer's market. Let's go over some of these other charts here. Here's what Apple's looking like. Let's go to the 10-minute. Market open right about here. With decent range volatility. Freaking pushed all the way up to almost 170. And I'm really pissed because I freaking added to the long term decent. So, and I haven't really checked it, but I would expect for the long term to be up decent. So I bought I bought some SPY, some Qs, some Apple, some Tesla. But back when we were like uh, when the market was looking super weak. What's up? What's going on with the semis today, bro? Look at that. Look at AMD. And look, bro, that 120. I mean, I feel like if you're going to use any indicators, I mean, obviously volume is going to be first and foremost. Always. Especially if you're trading intraday. Volume most important. After that, I'm going to go ahead and say VWAP. And after that, the 120. Because the 120s, use it as like a like a long term, not long term. I mean, for long term, you probably want to be looking at something like maybe like 200 day or something like that. A 120 SMA, like for kind of short term. Oh my god. Order a pizza. Where does she want pizza from? But yeah, AMD. What about Nvidia? I mean, obviously, if AMD. Wow, bro, look at the S&P 500. And they must have just released some data, dude. And then the Qs. I'm thinking that S&P 500 ain't looking too kosher right now, my guy. Not gonna lie to you. But I mean, we had a dump like that. We faded right here. We dumped right here. We dumped right here. Came back up. So we've had dumps like that today. And look where we were rejected off of, bro. Again, I know you can't really infer much from intraday levels, but I mean, they are useful. As you can see, look, came up here, topped out, faded, came, tested it again, faded even more. Bullish, came up here, tested it again, rejected again off of it. So there's something to be said about intraday levels. I have to put my damn shit on do not disturb. Every time I start streaming or trying to work on something, bro, I swear, like I just start getting bombarded and freaking like harassed, bro. I mean, dude, like I said, I know I can be a critical thinker, maybe sometimes even too critical, but dude, what I'm trying to explain to people is back when I was in grade school, and then schools were so much better back then. Like back when I was in grade school, bro, critical thinking was taught, okay? And it was a skill, bro. It's an actual skill. Critical thinking. I mean, anyone that's old enough to remember that would know that. But, and what is critical thinking? It's thinking critically, thinking into things. Okay? But today, if you're thinking critically, they'll tell you that you're crazy. Why is that? Bro, because they're doing it on purpose, bro. They're like dumbing down society, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Why do you think everything? I'll give you another example. Like back when I was in grade school and stuff, bro. Can I stop being fucking harassed? I forgot what I was gonna say. All right, I'll give you another example. Back when I was in, younger, coming up, going through grade school, whatever, middle school, you remember how they, like, I guess AIDS and HIV and all that stuff was a big deal because they had no treatments for it and all this stuff. But it was like, I seen a billboard that said, it's talking about like, safe sex and whatever. And it's like, uh, the first step in safe sex or whatever is using protection, you know. But back when I was in grade school, like the first step was abstinence. So you see how far things have fell, like the standards. It used to be abstinence. Now it's, oh yeah, it's okay, just use protection. You see what I'm saying? It's the same concept I'm talking about here. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. It's not it's not a coincidence, bro. It's by design. That's what people don't understand, bro. Think you're thinking too critically. Man, decent fade off of Baba from 85 down here. Uh Bro, like what in the fuck? Excuse my language as well. Sorry about that. Yeah. Bitcoin, damn, bro. Bitcoin got back, but cracked that 30K mark, bro. Which remember I was saying, dude, if we can, once we got above 30K, we needed to consolidate over it for a few days, but it looks like we weren't able to. Cracked it. So I mean, the good thing about it is we're not too far from it. I'm trying to like go through the markets real quick. All right, charge point, red on the day, backside, getting close to the lows. Ethereum, I mean, whatever. GME up 2.75% today, looking decent on the day. Google red on the day by 0.5%. Meta, what happened to look off of that dump, bro? Meta freaking dumped and went backside. And bro, what was I saying it, bro? Was I like, dude, we're topping out. We're at the top of the range, and I would be looking at the 415s, right, on the spot. The 415 puts. Now they're worth 50 cents. They're worth 12 cents on the ask, 10 cents on the bid. Now they're worth 53 cents. So you're talking about 40 cents per contract. Okay? Would be profits. 40 cents per contract with a 10 times multiplier, $40 per contract. Again, I just like to do the multiplication on it because it just, it lets you know how easy it is to scale up. You feel me? So again, $40, then 10, 400, then 100, 4 racks. Just from this move here to right here, 4 racks. Don't worry, I've been making trade. I've been trading, but I just I'm weary to like do actual day trades intraday while I'm live streaming, only because like I've been under attack, bro. Like I've been constantly getting hacked and shit. So like I have to do my shit off. You feel me? Like, but I am. I don't know why I can't. Like I don't know how they keep gaining access to my shit. They keep going in, changing my registry and shit. Like so, and I've done everything. Like I've factory reset the PC. I took the BIOS battery out. I got freaking a new bunch of hard drives. Did all this shit, bro. I can't get it off, bro. Like, I don't know. Like, my shit's hacked, bro. So I'm waiting on a Mac Mini right now. And then I'm gonna use this PC like specifically just for gaming, and it's for like a second, uh, like a dual PC setup. Really quick, let's look at some of these plays I had on the watch list. PNC Bank up almost 2%. BlackRock up almost 1%. Tiva up 2.5%. Look, these are on the watch list. Alvo, I mean, barely up. BBBY down 9%. Damn, that thing about to die. Evlo down 25%. Look at this. Wow. But I mean, just because something is down doesn't mean like there was no opportunity there. Because look, on 930, yeah, I mean, if you want to buy the dip straight off the open, yeah, decent range. But on a small cap like this, especially running up so fast, I would have been more interested in the fade. And look at that, decent fade up here. Woo! The washout all the way down to the lows. That was on the watch list as well, dude. There's another one that was on the watch list. Gave you range both ways. Off the open, up to the top, and then fading. And then actually freaking found some support down here and made another stab at it. Here's another one off the watch list, up 0.5%. Mullen, what? Mullen up freaking 8.5%, bro. This thing always finds a way to stay relevant, bro. Ain't that something? I was on the watch list though. I mean, it's a penny stock now, bro. So I don't know. Like, this one, go back and watch my shorts from yesterday, bro. Had it on the watch list. Briefed on it. Made a short on it. Free game I'm giving out. Here's another one I had on there. I mean, yeah, it's freaking, it dumped now, but you know, you guys that don't know, you can actually make money on the way down as well, bro. Look, another one I had on the watch list or made a short on. Another one, Faraday Future Intelligent. Did a short on it yesterday. I mean, you guys need to go subscribe and turn on noties so you can freaking get this freaking info. Ford I had on that thing, bro. Look at that. I mean, it's such a large cap, even though it looks like it gave you a lot of range. It hasn't really moved that much. I mean, 1150s up to like 1190s, almost 12.50 cents. I mean, that's decent. I had lift on there. Look at the range on this. From 10.15 up to about 10.66. Dumped, grinded back up, and faded again. Look, on the watch list. Go back and watch the shorts, bro. All these I had on here. VXRT. Workhorse. Look, range of trade both ways and green on the day right now. Here's another one. Liquid Media Group. Watch list up 5.5%. FRC I had on here down 40%. Holy shit. Off the open, which is right here, just clear direction given to you, which is down. Broke down previous close, fought with it, topped out, rejected, and then just dumped, dude. Look at that. On the watch list, bro. I'm talking, bro. Y'all sleeping on the watch list, bro. Look at this. Another one. AI on the watch list. Made a short on it. WWE on the watch list. Made a short on it. Look. This thing actually gapped up. 105 up to like 108. 1.5%. This thing's up right now. At the highs, it was up way higher. These are all on the watch list, bro. I mean, bro, I'm trying to. I do what I can for the people, bro. It's up to you guys to get the info, bro, and do something with it. But like, I think my girlfriend's just blowing me up, dude. Yeah. But again, bro, all these I had on the watch list, bro. You feel me? And bro, it's again, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but it's cheaper than a Starbucks drink, my guy. You feel me? Especially the ones I get. The drink I get from Starbucks costs $9, $9 or $10. All right, it's the Ribbon Crunch, the Venti. Okay, with 2 shots of blonde espresso and all this other shit, costs $10. And that's how much this watch list costs. The watch list costs, but you get it for the whole month. Like, man, bro, don't worry. I'm gonna try to do more. I'm gonna try to get back on my regular schedule. Uh, do a lot more live streaming, and show you. I'll show you better than I can tell you. All right, but like, this girl's like blowing me up. I'm gonna jump on later tonight and do some shorts and give out some game. So go ahead and like, sub, turn on noties so you don't miss none of that, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Like, this isn't for entertainment, bro. This is real value I'm trying to deliver. I make a nigga shiver. All right, dude. Anyways, sorry I couldn't stay on through the rest of the trading period. But bro, did I call this move out or what? That's all I want to know. I called it. Showed you a way where you could have made some racks, some stacks. So just on that, based on that, you should go ahead and sub, bro. And remember, like, turn on notice, hit the like. Whether you're on Rumble, YouTube, Facebook, doesn't matter. Twitch. That way, when I do post content, you get it, because it's gonna be valuable information. Again, this is not for entertainment, my guy. But anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Okay, if you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. Hit the bell and get the hell over to my Discord and Patreon to sign up for that daily morning briefing and watch list, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace. Peace to my haters. See you later.